We're looking at a 2004 Toyota Sienna. The customer was complaining about a lot of inside rear tire wear. Upon inspection of the vehicle, you could definitely see there was a lot of negative camber in the rear of the vehicle. Unfortunately, these vehicles don't allow for any camber adjustment when doing an alignment. So based on our inspection, the wear on the tires, we had determined that the rear axle was bent. We informed them we'd need to get a new rear axle for it. They said go ahead. As you can see from the pictures here, there is a dramatic difference visually from where the tires were leaning in at the top before the axle was replaced to after the axle being replaced. The reason why the rear axle was bent, I believe, is just age. There's a lot of pressure on those rear suspension components, especially if they get overloaded, which can sometimes happen in a minivan, whether it be with kids and luggage and everything going on vacation, or people using a minivan more in a construction application. Too much weight in the rear would definitely could cause the rear axle to bend, or sometimes it's just metal fatigue from age. That's one of the suspension repairs that we do offer at 3D, taking care of these unusual issues that don't come up all the time. So if you're having a tire wear issue, not sure exactly what's causing it, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help you get the situation figured out and corrected. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.